This is how you can extract unlimited leads from LinkedIn on 100% autopilot. If your prospect, if the people who you want to reach out to, if they're available on LinkedIn, this will work for you. You might be wondering what's the exact type of information I'll get. If the person has added their email address, you're gonna get the email address. If they've added their phone number, you're gonna get the phone number. Basically, all the information which is available on LinkedIn will be scraped. You might be wondering, Somil, won't that get my account banned or something? And the answer is no, because we don't use, like in this method, your LinkedIn account is not used for scraping. Your account is just used to search for people. And then, like, all the technical complicated stuff, meaning, like, just understand, like, your account is not being used for scraping. The data goes into some other servers, and over there, they have their own accounts which are used for scraping. So, your account will be 100% safe. Obviously, good things come at a price, at a cost, at an investment. So if you have to go normally, the tool we're going to be using for this is GrowMe Organic, and this is the only tool which I found where you can scrape like unlimited LinkedIn. A lot of other tools, what they do is they say like, yeah, we're going to give you unlimited LinkedIn scraping, but then they have that credit system. So you might get like 1,000 credits, 2,000 credits, and after scraping a certain number of profiles, you have to upgrade your account, you have to get into something new, all of that crap. Gromi Organic is the only service where number one, they don't use your account, so your account is 100% safe, at least in based on my knowledge, like based on what I know. Like it's the only one which does that. And at the same time, you get unlimited LinkedIn scraping. So yeah, that's why I use it. I absolutely love it. They do not sponsor these videos or something, like they've not sponsored us. That's what I genuinely use myself as well. So the investment required for the same is $100. You can just go over here, and yeah, this is a referral link. I think you do get like a 2 weeks trial as well without any credit cards or something. If you come to the pricing over here, it says $79 with the annual, but if you come over here, it's like $99 a month. And at the same time, if you're in India, you have to pay like 18% GST as well. So yeah, that's even more. Anyways, that's the price, but obviously, because you're watching this, you're a user of SalesGen and all, we always deliver. And if you want access to Gromi Organic for $12 instead of $118, which is almost more than 10 times more affordable, you can simply check it out from here. If you're using it from India, if you're watching this from India, you can just simply go over here. You can click on this, boom, get access now, enter your phone email, and you can like get access using any of the famous payment providers like UPI, net banking, credit cards. If you're an international user, you can simply come over here, click on this. You can pay via PayPal, credit cards, crypto as well, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can use Cash App too, whatever works. So yeah, that's how you can get access to it at discounted prices. If you want to go over here and you want to buy for $118 from their website, you can do that as well. Once you have like this thing active, once you have like an active Gromi Organic subscription, you firstly need to ensure that you're logged into LinkedIn. Just go to linkedin.com and log in with your account. Even if you don't have a professional account, like I personally myself, I don't have a professional account. It does not matter what account you're using. We're not going to be using it for scraping or for sending like connection requests and all. So it does not really matter at the end of the day how many followers you have, how many connections you have. You just need a LinkedIn account. Any LinkedIn account works. So ensure you're logged into LinkedIn. Once you're done with that, open up your SalesGen account. I've already opened it, and click on Unlimited Lead Gen, bottom left corner. So over here, once you're here in the SalesGen account, you can see this thing like Unlimited Lead Gen at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just simply click on this. And someone might be saying, Somil, why does your SalesGen account look so zoomed out? Mine is much bigger. You can do that, like come on these three dots and you can select the zoom over here. You can like zoom it more. You can like reduce it as well. So yeah, that's how you can change how zoomed in or zoomed out your SalesGen account appears. Once you have that, you probably, I'm assuming by this point, have a Gromi Organic subscription, either like a free trial, but over there I think you can only scrape 200 contacts and that's it. After that, you cannot do anything. So either you have a free trial or you bought it from us or you bought it from there. You already had an account. Just simply come over here and log in using the exact same email ID and password you used. I'm going to use the one which I use for Grow Me Organic. Just enter your email and password and click on sign into dashboard. Yeah, you're pretty much good to go. You're here. A lot of people have complained that they're constantly trying to sign in, they enter the right email and the password, but still they're unable to sign in. And I've attached a YouTube video over here which shows you how you can. So a lot fix of people, that. Like this was happening for a lot of people. They entered their password and after they clicked on this, it says light and it just gets stuck over here. So if that's the case, you can simply refer to this. And yeah, I've just attached it over here in the SOP. Like I'll be attaching this SOP if you're watching this in the SalesGen community. Like if you're watching this over here in the learning section, in the courses section, it will be available before the video, below the video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll also pin it in the comments. So yeah, you can just do that. But I did not face the issue because I already fixed it. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Once you're here, you simply click on, like select LinkedIn extract emails. So over here, you can like just hover your mouse over this, automate LinkedIn. Click on this, like LinkedIn extract email, just click here. And say that you have to download their extension. They've attached the tutorial video. So no, I think you'll have to open it in a new tab because YouTube won't open over here. So go to LinkedIn extract emails. Click on this. Open link in new tab, like right click on this. If you want to watch the tutorial for Windows. This is for Windows. It's a pretty simple process, not very complicated. If you're on Mac, I'll show you how you can do it. Click on this button, like download the extension. And the download has started. Just simply open it up. And I'll just minimize this. Just double click on this. It will open up. Now that you have this, you're pretty much good to go. So you can simply open up Chrome. You can click on these three dots, like over here, these three dots. Click on extensions over here and select manage extensions. Once you're here, ensure developer mode is turned on. By default, it will be like this. Ensure this is turned on. After that, click on load unpacked over here, this button over here. Just do that. And the extension which we just extracted, like just double click on this, click on this and click on select. That's all you had to do. And now as you can see, the extension is added over here, the Grow Me Organic extension. That's how you do it. Once you've added the extension, then you simply go to LinkedIn and you can just start searching for your ideal prospects. Let it load. I have some guidelines for this. What I want you to do is when you search for your ICP, means ideal customer profile, meaning the people you want to reach out to. When you're doing it, you can obviously apply filters in LinkedIn. This works for both LinkedIn Free and LinkedIn Premium as well. What I want you to do, if you want the best results, add so many filters that you only get around 1,000 emails, like only 1,000 results if you have LinkedIn Free, and around 2,500 results if you have LinkedIn Premium. And now I know you might be wondering, like, let's just say I'm trying to search for my niche. I'll search for digital marketing agency. That's my niche. So I'll just search for it. Yeah. Now that I'm here, I can see all the filters which are available to me. So I can just use them, and based on that, I can narrow down the results. Like if we see how many results we've gotten, how do you see the total number of results? In like, I'll just go to in terms of people because I want to reach out to people. So yeah, I've gotten around like 130,000 results. So what you need to do is add so many filters that you only get around 1,000 filters. Like obviously it won't be possible. You might get more than 1,000, but try your level best to do that. So you can do like narrow down very much on the geography, like a very small geographical area. You can target people over there, or maybe you can target a very specific job role or a very specific type of, like let's say you're targeting doctors. Instead of searching for doctors, search for brain surgeons. Like just narrow down as much as possible. And you might be wondering why. The reason for that is in LinkedIn Free, you only get like 10 results per search. Like in this page, you can only see 10 results. And if you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Premium, if I'm not wrong, you can get 25 results over here. So 10 into 100 is 1000. You cannot scrape after the 100th page. I don't think so. You can click on next after that. I don't think, yeah. You can only see up to the first 100 pages. So we can only scrape using GrowMe only 1000 results in one search. So is that not much better? We narrow down and scrape all 1000 of them out. Then we move to another location or we target another job role. That's how you can scrape all the 130,000 results, because there's no way we can do that. And obviously, if you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you will see 25 results over here. So 100 into 25 is 2.5k. So that's why I said 2.5k if you have that. So I'll be applying a bunch of filters, whatever I can find. Like, let me try to add a location. What's a city? Like, I'll actually ask ChatGPT for the same. I don't need oven for this. I'll search use. So I'll just ask ChatGPT for cities, because obviously I'm not a geography expert. Let's say Boston. Let's just try that. That sounds good. Where's LinkedIn? Boston. Yeah, I think that sounds good. How many results do we have? Yeah. So just by us narrowing down to Boston, we have like 906 results, which is pretty dope, if I'm being honest. Like, you can ask ChatGPT, like, how many cities are there in the USA? How many cities are there? Almost 19,000 cities. So just multiply that. You can do this for each and every single city. Just ask ChatGPT for the list of cities, and you can continue that. So now that I have a list of like less than 1,000 results, I'm pretty much good to go. I just need like, yeah, pretty much good to go. So all you need to now do is click on this thing, like in the bottom left corner of your screen. You might see this called GrowMe Organic Email Extractor. Just click on this, and after that, you can just simply click on extract emails from this. Over here, you will see like where do you want to save your leads, and you might see this marketing agency. You might be like, I don't see anything over here and I cannot press this button. That's because you don't have a list created. All you need to do is simply come over here, and over here you might see this one thing called my lists. So this is basically the place where your contacts are saved. So what you can do is create a new list with the name of the city and the people you're targeting, so that you can remember it. Just click on create a new list over here. Click on this, and I'll just name it marketing agency Boston. Yeah, pretty much it. And just click on create this list. It was that simple. Now you can just simply come back to LinkedIn, and over here you're going to see all your lists. So I'll actually close it because I wanted to refresh. So once you have your list created, click on this button, Grow Me Organic Email Extractor, and over here from the list, Boston. Click here to manage your lists. Why is this list not appearing? I'll just open LinkedIn over here as well. Once again, I'll open LinkedIn again. Digital marketing agency. People. And then all filters. I'll go to Boston. Yeah, Boston, Massachusetts. Show results. I'll click on this email extractor. Yeah, I can see the list over here, like marketing agency Boston. You just have to refresh it. Yeah, so I'll just click on extract emails from search, and that's all I had to do. My hands are over here in case anyone is wondering, and you can see like the extraction process has started. All the emails, like all the email addresses and all the phone numbers as well, it says only emails are extracted. But I've seen if the person has the phone number, that is also extracted. So yeah, you can see what page it is on, and my hands are over here, and in a couple of moments it will automatically move to the next page, which you can see like after 8 seconds, after 7 seconds. And after a couple of minutes you're gonna see like lists being saved, leads being saved to your account as well. Yeah, you can see it automatically went to the next page. It will search for all the emails, and after some time it will automatically start saving them to your Grow Me Organic account as well. In case you want to see your previous, like yeah, so for example, I created this list of leads a couple of days ago. This is what it looks like the final data. It will be appearing over here in your Grow Me Organic account, and you can simply just go through it. You can just see the, like, in case someone is wondering how do I see it, go to LinkedIn extract emails and go to my lists. You've created this list over here, right? Like this one. So you're gonna see the data. You can like click on download over here. You can download it in CSV format, Excel format, whatever, or you can simply click on this to view the data, what exactly you've gotten. So for example, I've gotten emails, I've gotten like everything. I got in the email, I got in the phone number of the company, I got in the first name of the person, middle name if they had one, last name of the person, I've got in the LinkedIn URL, I've got in the job title, what exactly is the job title, I've got in the name of the company they work in, I've got in the domain, like the website of the company, I've got in the city where they belong to. I don't think so LinkedIn ID is needed. Yeah, that's basically it. You get all this information, email, phone number, job title, company name, and yeah, you can pretty much go ahead. That's how you extract unlimited leads from LinkedIn. In case someone's wondering, like, just let it run in the background for some time. It will take care of everything, it will scrape the data and all. So yeah, just let it run in the background, just leave it like that. In case you want, like, don't close this page, don't close this like your SalesGen account, and don't close your LinkedIn account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to do more work, you can simply open a new window, not a new tab. Come on these three dots, click on new window, and you can just continue your work, whatever you want to do. Leave it running in the background. Do not close it, do not interfere with it. It will stop otherwise. And yeah, once all the leads are scraped, you're pretty much good to go. That's all you had to do. But yeah, that's all. If you have any questions, once again, the SalesGen community is there for this particular reason as well. Just drop your questions over here, or you can just simply come to the WhatsApp community too, the SalesGen community on WhatsApp, and you can drop a message over there too. Yeah, that's all for the video. I hope this helped. Have a lovely day ahead. Take care, people.